Hey guys, if y'all want to see what's in the FabFitFun box for the summer, stay tuned.
Dream beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat for this beat, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Extreme Beauty Factor here, back with another video, guys. Y'all know what time it is. It is time for FabFitFun. So let me show you the box right quick. Right here. This is how it looked. This is how it came. Okay? And well packaged. Got all the little stuff in there. Alright? Okay, in the magazine, y'all, it has everything in it that was in the box. So you get a magazine every time that the box comes. This time it didn't show the prices. I didn't see the prices, but this is what's in the box. You know, different things that everybody got in the box. Okay? Now, I'm going to move on to what I got. Move that out of the way. And what I got, y'all, let me show you. Hold on. Let's get it in order here. Let's get it in order. I took everything out so y'all can see it. My top on the floor, but that's alright. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to show y'all is this PMD Clean. And it's it massaged in serums. It's soft silicone bristles, waterproof, ergonomic design, and it's easy aid battery. And then it has the stand right there, and it comes with a battery. So let me take it out and let y'all guys see. Okay. See, that's how it looks. I got one already. And then it got the battery. It comes with the battery right here. And the stand is right here. Okay? Alright. Got some pretty good stuff. And plus, let me give you the specs on this on FabFitFun. I ain't gonna put it back in the box. Save time. The specs on this FabFitFun box is okay. On the website, it's showing you everything that's gonna, that comes in the box this time, right? Then it says that you can choose the plan that you want, pick your products, and y'all, when you pick your products, the ones that you pick, some of them you use it when you got to pay extra. When you want extra in your box, you have to pay for those. Okay. Then it has two plans. It has annually and seasonal. I have the seasonal, so I'm gonna tell you what the annual was about. You got a seasonal box, up to 8 products. Customize your entire box. Unlimited swap for credit. Easy early access to customize. Early access to add on and edit sales, early shipping, and of course you can cancel anytime. They say that's the best value. Okay, then you got seasonal per box is $49.99, and the seasonal box is up to 8 products. You get 4 customized. I guess you got 4 customizations, unlimited swap with full credit. And you cancel anytime. Okay, so that is what you have here. That's the spec. Hey guys, what I was trying to say what the box offers is seasonal and annual. Okay, all right guys, on to the video. The brush that cleans your face, I showed y'all that. And here, this right here, it is a citrus squeezer. Okay. You see that? And there you go. That's how that looks. I'm sorry, y'all. They don't tell you the prices, what it really is. I think they took it out of that. This right here is called the Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel Enriched with soothing aloe and I ain't gonna say that word, moisturizing after sun gel. This right here is with, like, if you get sunburned or whatever and you out in the sun, you can use this and it has a calming effect to it. Okay, so there we go. I don't be on the beach or the sun, but hey, at least I got it. Okay, I got that. Then we got here, it's like a ice tray, but it looks like a pineapple. Isn't that cute? Yep, that's it's a silicone. Let me see what else it says about it. Yeah, it just shake an ice thing in this silicone. Okay, got that out of the way, and then we got here. They call it poolside. It's a poolside bag. It looked like a makeup bag that, you know, remember how you get them bags from Ipsy? And some people still got the subscription. And it's got a plastic thing on the inside and everything. I love the color. I hope y'all can see it well. And yeah, it's called poolside. It's a wet and dry pouch. So this is what this is. Okay, got that. Then we got vitamin C facial serum, and there you go right there. And the directions are: you release 2 drops of serum into your palm, massage gently onto the face and neck, and décolletage. Use morning or night, and follow with moisturizer. So there you go. Everybody needs some vitamin C, right? We all need vitamin C. Got that. Then we got here it's called Fruit Lip Mask. There we go. And it's a lip mask, and it is, let me see what it tells you how to use it. It said before bedtime, apply a generous amount onto the lips and leave overnight, and can also be used during the day as a lip lip salve. Simply slather onto lips before any lipstick or gloss application. And y'all, I smell it. My top on the floor, that's why I don't have a top on. It smells so good. And this is the packaging. Hope y'all can see it. This light. See it? And it smells good. I'm gonna try it. And plus it's cruelty free and vegan. Okay? Now we got our famous, we got a little spoon here. And we got, take this out. It's cute, y'all. Love it. It's a salsa and guac little bowl here. Only thing is, y'all, I don't eat guacamole. Maybe somebody can make some good guacamole and let me taste it, but telling you, I don't eat it. But don't knock it till you try, right? But I can use this for something else as well. But it's a salsa and guac bowl, and it comes with the spoon. You can, I guess, when you have parties and stuff like that, you can put some salsa and guac, and it has the little spoons and stuff that go with it. People can dip in. Okay, so y'all, that is pretty much it. I just want to jump on here and do this quick video so y'all can see the seasonal box for FabFitFun for June. And I'll see y'all next time. I'll see y'all next time whenever I get the one for the next one. Gonna be fall. Okay, so I'll see y'all later, and y'all know when there's an event, I got some content, and I'll see y'all in another video. Love you guys. Also, it came with and these little things. It has the Bright Sellers $45 credit right here. It's for wine. And then it has here a coupon for $15 off. Anybody that, you know, if I give this to, they want their FabFitFun, they get $15 off their first box. And then they got here 14 meals. Use the code for HelloFresh. I already got HelloFresh. I wish I did know somebody that wants to get this. And then, of course, they gave their famous stickers for this time. Okay? Alright. I just wanted to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.